In this video, I'll show you how to use Grok AI for business in 2026. First, open Grok AI on your computer and log into your account. Once you are on the main chat screen, you can start using Grok as an AI assistant for different business tasks. One of the easiest ways to use Grok for business is for brainstorming. You can describe your business, product, or project and ask Grok to generate new ideas. For example, you can ask for marketing ideas, content ideas, product concepts, or ways to improve your workflow. Grok can also help with writing. You can use it to draft emails, create business announcements, prepare social media content, write product descriptions, or improve the wording of existing text. Another useful option is research and analysis. You can ask Grok to help you organize information, compare different ideas, summarize documents, or identify important points from business materials. If file uploads are available to you, you may also be able to provide supported documents for analysis. You can also use Grok to create outlines for business presentations, reports, proposals, and meetings. Instead of starting from a blank page, give Grok some basic information and ask it to organize your ideas into a clear structure. For customer support and communication, Grok can help you create professional response templates. You can provide the situation and ask for a friendly, professional, or concise response. Grok can also help business owners brainstorm social media campaigns and promotional content. You can provide your target audience, product details, and campaign goals, then ask for several content ideas. However, be careful when working with confidential business information. Avoid sharing passwords, private customer information, financial details, or other sensitive data unless you have confirmed that doing so is appropriate under your organization's policies.